transporting a kayak requires the right tools. And trust me when I say it can be difficult, tiring, and time-consuming carrying kayaks yourself, especially over rough terrain. There are many products available to choose kayak carts to make transporting your boat easier, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best kayak carts to make transporting your boat easier from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. TMS Cart CNOE KAYAKKY1 Boat Kayak Canoe Carrier Tote Trolley. The TMS Kayak Cart delivers everything that you need of a kayak trolley: reliability, ease of use, and durability. It consists of a stainless steel frame that has foam bumpers on each side to protect your valuable canoe. Besides, the top-notch all-terrain tires roll smoothly on anything you throw under them, allowing you to get your kayak to the water trouble-free. I also liked how this kayak cart breaks down very easily for convenient storage during transportation. And when you need to take it out and carry the kayak, you just attach the wheels, and it's ready. Number 2. Railblaza Sea Tug Kayak and Canoe Trolley Cart with Puncture-Free Wheels. The RAILBLAZA Sea Tug Kayak Cart scored high on my list because the whole Sea Tug system is carefully designed and constructed for effortless transportation of your kayak or canoe. It consists of 2 Sea Tug hull pads that support the kayak and the Sea Tug strap kit that feels secure. Another useful thing is that the rubberized pads are adjustable and fit most of the hull shapes. The wheels are a bit different than what we are used to seeing with a kayak cart. They are rubber tread, which means they don't have regular tires, but rather a rubber layer. This feature can be seen both as a pro and a con. On the one hand, you cannot get a punctured tire, but on the other, there will be a bit of shaking when going over pebbles and similar surfaces. Number 3. Wilderness Systems Heavy-Duty Kayak Cart, Flat Free Wheels, 450 lb weight rating. After testing it out, I'm happy to report that it completed all the tasks with flying colors. Firstly, the manufacturers constructed it to carry the heaviest kayaks with its load capacity of up to 450 pounds. Incredible. The frame is constructed of heat-treated aluminum alloy tubing that not only makes it lightweight and robust but also resistant to rust. Due to its versatile design, you can adjust both its width and height. There are 2 height options, higher for oddly shaped hulls, and the lower one for the regular shape. The no-flat wheels make for an easy ride over most obstacles and can handle all types of terrain, even snow. It's also available with a pair of enormous balloon-style beach wheels, although these do reduce its carrying capacity by 150 pounds, so just be mindful of that. It is also easy to assemble, simple to use, and it folds down quickly for easy storage when not in use or out of the water. The only downside is that it is somewhat expensive, and I would have liked some of the hardware to be metal rather than plastic. Number 4. Bonlo Kayak Beach Cart with Balloon Wheels Canoe Dolly Foldable Paddleboard Boat. Here's the second pick from the Bonlo assortment of kayak carts, the Big Beach Balloon Tires Kayak Cart. This time around, Bonlo has done away with the standard shape and tires, achieving a unique design. Yeah, you guessed it, for the beach. The manufacturers designed the 12 inches low-pressure balloon tires exclusively for this line of kayak carts, built for handling sand and pebbles, making it the ideal product for transporting sea kayaks to the shore edge. Well, it is okay, as it fulfills the crucial requirement of platform carts. Secure ratchet straps will hold your kayak into place. Still, if getting your yak over the sand is not your primary focus, I recommend you search elsewhere. Number 5. Seattle Sports Paddleboy Peanut Cart. It might be cheap, but the Seattle Sports Paddleboy Peanut Kayak Cart made it to my list because of its functionality. This is the perfected and upgraded version of their taildragger cart that made its debut in 2017, and remained an incredibly popular choice since then. At such a low price, you can hardly find a kayak cart with such a quality set of flat free wheels. There is no vibration, regardless of the surface, and the Minicell foam allows the cart to float over uneven terrain. Securing your yak with the bungee cord instead of a tie-down strap takes some time and patience. Also, as I explained, the taildraggers do not support the whole kayak. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.